everyone, welcome back. So today's video is a nice smoky blue eye using the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions palette, and this is the first time I actually used this palette and I loved it. Here are some swatches. The swatches were surprisingly very nice. All around, the palette was a great palette. So I'm going to be priming the eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is in the color Natural. I'm just going to apply that evenly throughout the entire eyelid. Then I'm going to be taking the royal blue color from the palette, the matte color, and I'm going to be first patting it into the eye, and then I'm going to start blending that nicely, make sure everything is nice and blended. Then I'm going to be taking the navy blue color and I'm applying that just on the crease to darken that area, so it can give it that nice smoky effect. And then I'm going to make sure I blend everything out nicely and even as well. So here I'm just blending the colors like I said before. Then I'm going to be taking a concealer, and I'm using the Vibrancy concealer by Josie, Maran, and I'm going to be applying that on the eyelid. I'm basically doing like a cut crease, making sure I have some nice edges. I take my time cutting it and make sure I'm very precise with it. I just want it on the eyelid. And then I'm going to be patting it with a small brush, making sure that I pat it so when I apply the eyeshadows, it's nice and sticky before I apply the eyeshadows. So then I'm going to be taking the navy blue color again, and I'm going to be taking a small brush, and this is by Luxie, and just making sure that it's nice and darkened above the cut, so it looks nice and sharp. So then I'm going to be taking the shimmer royal blue color of the palette, and I'm going to apply that on the center of the eyelid. Make sure you pat that on nicely. Then I'm going to be taking a other shimmer color, which is like a darker blue, and I'm going to be applying that on the beginning half of my eye. And then I'm going to be taking the royal blue color and blending that on the outer V, making sure everything's nice and blended to give it that smoky effect. And then I noticed that the blue eyeshadow is kind of similar, so I add the silver on top of the beginning of the eyeshadows. And then I'm going to be just applying a silver eyeliner on the half cut crease, basically. So giving it that half cut crease effect. And then I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. I'm using the Chela Beauty Tantalizing Taupe pencil. And I've been loving this lately. It's so easy to use. I'm taking Skin Labs serum, and this is a nice moisturizer, so I like to apply that all over the face before I apply my foundation. And today's foundation and concealer are both Josie Maran from the Vibrancy line, and I love these foundation and concealer. So I'm just going to be applying a even small amount of foundation all over the face, and then I'm going to be taking the concealer. I'm applying that underneath the eyes and wherever I want to highlight the high points of the face. And I'm just going to make sure I blend that out nicely. I'm using a black beauty sponge from Ashley Cosmetics to blend the foundation. Then I'm going to be using a colourpop foundation brush for the under eye area and blending out the concealer. And on top of that, I want it well blended, so I used the Ashley Lee Cosmetics beauty sponge. I'm just going to make sure everything's nice and blended. Then I'm going to be taking loose powder, and I'm going to be applying that underneath the eyes and underneath the cheekbone just to bake. And I'm using the ColourPop Cosmetics No Filter powder. Then I'm going to be taking my Shade and Light palette by Katvon, and I'm going to be contouring the cheeks, the nose, the forehead, and underneath the chin. And then I'm going to be taking a motor brush, and I'm going to be dusting off the powder and making sure I blend out everything so you don't have that powder showing. And then I'm going to be taking the navy blue shade from the palette and applying that on the lower eyelid and making sure I blend it out well so we have that nice smoky effect. Then I'm going to be taking a black jumbo pencil by NYX Cosmetics and applying that on the waterline. And then I'm going to be taking my It Cosmetics mascara, and I'm going to be applying that on both top and bottom of the lashes. I'm going to be highlighting the brow bone using the Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten palettes, and I'm also highlighting the inner corner of the eyes. I'm also going to be using the Bronze and Brighten palette to bronze up the face and also the blush and highlighter as well. So here I'm bronzing the cheeks, then I'm going to be taking the blush and applying that on the apples of the cheeks. Make sure everything is nice and blended. And then I'm going to be applying the highlighter. And this palette is such a perfect palette when you're on the go, especially perfect. So I highlight all the areas of the face that I want highlighted. Then I apply my lashes. Today's lashes are the Shopamorus. And these are the wispy lashes. And for the lips, lastly, I'm going to be using the Lime Crime Cashmere matte lipstick. And then on top of that, I'm going to be putting Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb. That's it for this look. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time.